you are leading a complex project across various departments and identify a junior project manager with a high potential on your team. Okay, to effectively mentor this individual in managing project risks, which of the following approach would be the most effective? So this question is asking that out of the following, find out what is the best way of mentoring your high potential junior project manager. And the question is also making a little specific indication that you may want to mentor this particular person towards the risk management related tasks. Let's see. Option A, enroll the junior project manager in a series of external professional training course on risk management. Good idea. But if I get into detail, this is a training thing. I'm not actually doing mentoring here. I'm saying that, okay, can I get this guy trained? And if that happens, he will be having knowledge about risk management. Yeah. So I look for better option, which can also help him to really develop a skill on risk management, because mentoring is all about developing skill, not just limited to knowledge alone. Let's see option B. Include the junior project manager in a risk review meeting with stakeholders, assigning them an observer role. A possible alternative, you can say you shadow me, more or less. Yeah, you are doing shadowing, but you are doing shadowing without much action. You just observe me. Yeah, it's better than A, but it assumes that you are doing it after educating the person, but it's a mentoring act. Yeah, the A was purely training act, B is a mentoring act. So I'm taking you along, you can see the things and you probably observe me what I'm doing. That will help you in developing absorbing the tacit knowledge, the thing which we do based on our experience. And that will also help you in picking up some explicit understanding of the work. So that's a good idea. Yeah, that's a better idea than A. Let's see if we get more engaged mentoring as an action in this particular question. Option C, create a structured mentoring program focusing on hands-on activities on risk identification and response planning. This is better than B, yeah, because now it is just not observation, it is more on active participation. And the word is the structured program, which means it has a follow-up, some goals. Yeah, there is a process involved. It is just not that you come and see me what I'm doing. So we have some set of hands-on activity where you do risk identification and planning, and we have a structure around it. So definitely better than B. As of now, out of the three options we have learned, C seems to be the best. Option D, suggest a curated reading list on risk management books, an article for the junior project manager, self-study. Okay, great idea, but it's a training and learning idea. It will just give the knowledge. It's not a mentoring tool. So A and D are not mentoring tool. They are more educational and training tool. B and C are mentoring tool. The C is more engaged than B. So that's why we go with C. Now, ECO thing, this particular question is mapped to task 13, mentor relevant stakeholders. So we need to include the mentoring of individuals, team members, and the stakeholders in this particular task. And yes, the topic is basically around mentoring in this particular question.